What is the Fair Housing Act and who does it protect? Hey guys, I'm John with ListMe Realty Group. And before we get started on this subject, I want you to know that I am not an attorney. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not practicing law, and I'm not pretending to be an attorney. I'm simply providing you this information to help better protect you while renting or buying a home. So what is the Federal Fair Housing Act? It protects people from discrimination when they are renting or buying a home, getting a mortgage, seeking housing assistance, or engaging in other housing related activities. Who is protected? So if you're a landlord, a mortgage lender, or selling your home or anything like that, you cannot discriminate in housing because of race, color, national origin, religion, sex, family status, or disability. The majority of homes are covered by this. When you're buying or renting, make sure you know your rights and what the seller and landlord can and can't do. What is prohibited in the sale and rental of housing? So, like I said, it is illegal to discriminate because of the following: race, color, religion, sex, disability, family status, or national origin. Things you cannot do. You cannot refuse to rent or sell housing. You cannot refuse to negotiate for housing. You cannot refuse to make housing available. You cannot set different terms, conditions, or privileges for sale or rental of a dwelling. You cannot provide a person different housing services or facilities. You cannot falsely deny that housing is available for inspection, sale, or rental. You cannot make, print, or publish any notice, statement, or advertisement with respect to the sale of or rental of a dwelling that indicates any preference, limitations, or discrimination. You cannot impose different sale prices or rental charges for the sale or rental of a dwelling. Use different qualifications, criteria, or applications, or sale or rental standards or procedures such as income standards, application requirements, application fees, credit analysis, sale or rental approval procedures, or other requirements. You cannot evict a tenant or a tenant's guest. You cannot harass people. You cannot fail or delay performance of maintenance or repairs. You cannot limit privileges, services, or facilities of a dwelling. You cannot discourage the purchase or rental of a dwelling. You cannot assign a person to a particular building or neighborhood or section of a building or neighborhood. You cannot refuse to provide or discriminate in the terms or condition of homeowners insurance because of race, color, religion, sex, disability, family status, or national origin of the owner and or occupants of a dwelling. You cannot deny access to a membership in any listing service or real estate brokerage organization, right? This also applies to mortgage lending. So it is illegal in mortgage lending to discriminate for any of the following actions based on race, color, religion, sex, disability, family status, or national origin. Same thing as the above that I've already mentioned. You cannot refuse to make a mortgage loan or provide other financial assistance for a dwelling, refuse to provide information regarding loans, impose different terms or conditions on a loan such as a different interest rate, points, or fees. You cannot discriminate in appraising of a dwelling, conditions of the availability of a loan on a person's response to harassment, refuse to purchase a loan or anything like that. So the same applies in the lending too as the Federal Fair Housing Act. Like I said, guys, this is just for your information so you are better protected while you are renting or possibly buying a home. If you have any questions, you can contact me or Elizabeth at our email at info@listmerealtygroup.com, or you can go onto our Facebook and DM us. That is also at ListMe Realty Group on Facebook. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that, or if you feel that somebody has discriminated against you, let us know and we can talk to you about that to see if you are a victim. So please let us know any questions or anything like that, and we would be glad to get back to you. Thank you.